Hello everyone, my name is Nigel Fernandez representing D Y Patil School of Hospitality and Tourism Studies. Today I'll be making a tiki cocktail called the Milky Way. Now this cocktail is inspired when my dad visited the Caribbean islands. He used to tell me the stories about the shooting stars and the Milky Way he saw up in the sky. Also, he bought back a bottle of rum as a souvenir for me. So since then I've been a great collector of rums. So let me show what I can do with it. We'll start off by putting in 90 ml of pineapple juice. $60 ml of Bacardi rum, and 30 ml of milk made. Now I'll be pouring in ice to give it a nice and chill shake. This method was taught me by my father. This is the glass that I'll be using. I'll pour in some ice. I'll be garnishing it with a cinnamon stick and some cinnamon powder. Here you go with the Milky Way. Thank you so much for seeing this video.